everybody, welcome to Cluckleberry Farm. And today I got some bad news. So me and my little sister were playing around here, and I found something right here. It looked like a dead duck. So I poked it with a stick to see if it was alive, and it wasn't. So we had like a dead duck right. You're drinking the duck's remains, excuse me. We might have had like a raccoon kill the duck there. Looked like its neck was bitten off or something. And yeah, that's the bad news. But don't worry, the rest of this video isn't going to be depressing. Egg, one of the most popular ways of eating child. You like that, Rose? You like eating that? You like eating that egg? You like eating your unborn children? Yeah? Aw, you're a sweet chicken. Oh, hello. There's a cow right there. Holy crap, it's Little Peck. Oh my god. It's Little Peck with a cow that we don't own. Hi. How are you doing, Little Peck? Yep. Shout out to Mr. Zardy for that one, because he created the Little Peck name. Whoops. I dropped my stick. Yeah, it's shenanigans. The sun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got a turkey. I don't know if she's Constance or Opal, because she's hiding her neck, but the eggs aren't fertilized, so we're not getting baby, what is it called? Ducks, or not ducks, turkeys. We're not getting baby turkeys. That's Opal. You still eating your unborn children, Rosie? You are? Oh, come here. Come here. You're my friend. You're gonna be my friend forever and ever. Oh man, I was gonna pick you up. Oh look, it's a chunky boy. Looks like a Mexican fighting rooster, but no, that's bronze. Yep. Oh my god. Y'all, I feel like a war's about to happen. Trench warfare. Look at that. Oh look, tree branch. All these birds. They dug all of this up. Like, they exposed all the roots, all that other stuff. They've eaten all the grass. We're planning to expand it, I think. Oh, look. Whoops, stick. Look. Oh. Hey. No eggs. Hey, can you chill down, please? I don't want to get attacked. Bunnies, it's bunny time. Oh my god, just look at them, those precious little things. Hey Cloudy, hey Bugs, how you doing? Hi! Hi there! What are you doing? Aw. Can you say hi? Whoops. Do you like being recorded? I think she does. So I came up to the camera. I think she's interested. Yeah, she likes looking at it. Okay. Yep. That's the video. Bye.